Hey guys, we are November the 26th. Just wanted to give you some kind of a proof of life, I guess, in the greenhouse. As you can see, I'm not wearing a shirt on anything over my works uniform, so it's not that cold this morning. Can't say it's hot either. Anyway, I cut off some of the chard, but as you can see, the chard really loves the greenhouse at this time of year. Anyway, the hot peppers, they took kind of a little beating, I guess, but this pepper, also sweet pepper, but this one is still going. Yeah, beautiful ripe red peppers on them. There's another one there. And there's another one ripening right there. The kale is looking great. Not eating it because I have lots dried up. Just wanting to see how long it will last. The parsley has took a little beating, but it might have been because it was drying up. Because yesterday I had to water everything up. The soil was really dry. I didn't think everything would last that long. Anyway, main reason I'm filming this is because tomorrow we're supposed to be getting a storm. There you go. There you go. So yeah, come tomorrow or tonight, I'm not sure when it's gonna start. Hey, there's Cookie. Everything should be getting covered with a nice coat of snow. Which would be great because snow over here really helps most of the plants survive, because it does get pretty cold. Anyway, I guess that's it. We'll see tonight or tomorrow how much we get hit. See you guys. Some weird noises tonight. Anyway, so it's roughly 11 p.m. And as you can see, the snow started about 9, and there's already like I'm not sure how well you can see. Yeah, there's like a good inch, I guess. I love first snows like this, although it isn't really our first snow. Maybe it's being, and especially before a storm, everything seems to be ultra calm. Snow muffles everything, and it sounds like somebody's playing the flute. And also, I love how bright things are. Doesn't seem to show as much on my camera as it is in real life, but there it is. Everything is quite bright. Yeah, we ended up getting, a decent storm. Yeah, there's about 2 feet. Some parts on my, everywhere. But some parts you can still see the grass. It depends on the wind. As you can see on the other yard, you can see the grass. And yeah, Cookie's too lazy to go down, so we piece right there. Anyway, it's not cold though. This morning I just shoveled a little pad for the dogs, and I was in the t-shirt, so yeah, so I guess now winter's here to stay. Hey guys, I hate the first snows. Yeah, they're so heavy, and even though we're December tomorrow, crap, forgot my shovel. Even though we're December, the 1st of December tomorrow, usually the snow would be fluffy, or I guess the weather would be colder, so the snow wouldn't have the same sticky texture, and most of the time that means that the snowblower can't show it far enough. Anyway, here's a greenhouse. Now here's Buddy. I'm just gonna shovel that, and we'll see what's been happening in the last 2 days. Haven't gotten in there since the storm. I guess I'm still holding on to the hope that things are alive. Anyway, I'll shovel that and let's go. Alright, so here goes nothing. Well. This is pretty great. Oh, I got a light bulb that died. The Swiss chard is still beautiful. Maybe. Wow, this pepper is still alive. Yeah, you see, maybe tomorrow. Nah, it was hotter today. So it was yesterday. That was the worst, the coldest weather we had. So this one is still alive. This is pretty insane. Of course, the hot peppers, well, they got hit pretty bad. The parsley also has been hit, I guess. Yeah, the parsley took a beating. The Swiss chard is pretty nice. I think I've got some bugs in here actually. Of course, you know they're gonna stay a little while longer. Anyway, the Swiss chard over there looks great. I had it cut for my sister there. This is insane. The rosemary is still looking great. So is the sage. This I'm pretty sure is a weed. Let's get it out right now. Throw it out. There you go. But yeah, the ground cherry took a beating. These fake spinach are looking great. The leek that I transplanted is growing. So is the celery top. Well, I'm very pleased. Tomorrow we're gonna be the 1st of December, and most of my plants will have survived that long. This is insane for this weather. This, for zone 4B to have plants alive outside in December. It's great. Hey, Biddy. Here's Biddy. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna go relax now because I had a good workout, and yeah, I guess I'll see you. We'll see how long I can keep things alive in here. I'll see you guys. Man, these are awesome. They're hard. There's another one there, and there's one growing right there. Oh, and there's another green there, and a new one there. Insane. All right, see you guys. Oh, Biddy. Your buddy's trying to climb on me. Hey, Biddy. All right, see you guys.